Are you a beginner musician or sound designer trying to improve your sound? Every home recording studio requires an audio interface since it can make the difference between sounding amateur and professional. You can start recording right away thanks to our list of the finest audio interfaces for beginners.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Maono AME2 audio interfaces. The Maono AME2 audio interfaces are an excellent choice to take into consideration if you're just starting out in the field of making music and recording. These interfaces, which were designed with beginners in mind, provide a user-friendly experience without sacrificing sound quality. Phantom power is backed by built-in grade preamps for the best XLR microphone performance. High-end dynamic microphones like the SM7B and SM58, as well as ultra-low noise gain up to 60 decibels, are made possible by the AME2's 3-level mic gain control. The Maono AME2 audio interfaces are lightweight and compact, making them perfect for artists on the go or home studios. You'll be operating in no time thanks to their clear and simple controls. The high-quality audio resolution of the interfaces makes sure that your recordings sound polished and professional. The flexibility of the Maono AME2 audio interfaces is one of their best qualities. You can easily connect your microphones, instruments, and speakers thanks to the numerous inputs and outputs. These interfaces are capable of recording vocals, guitar, or an entire band. The Maono AME2 audio interface's smooth connecting to your computer or other devices is made possible by their USB and MIDI capabilities. In terms of software and virtual instruments, this opens up a whole new cosmos of possibilities. On number 2, we have Behringer Euphoria UM2 audio interface. The Behringer Euphoria UM2 is a terrific alternative to take into consideration if you're a beginner looking for a cost-effective yet reliable audio interface. This sleek portable interface provides excellent sound without breaking the bank. You can simultaneously connect your microphone and instrument to the Behringer Euphoria UM2's 2 inputs. This is ideal for small home studios or singer-songwriters with limited space. The interface also has a headphone output so you can easily keep an eye on your recordings. The Behringer Euphoria UM2 is simple to set up. You only need to connect it to your computer using a USB cable to get started. The interface is adaptable for any setup and works with both Mac and PC. In addition, a free recording software download is included so you can get started right away. The Behringer Uphoria UM2's MIDI design preamp is one of its unique features. Your recordings will sound professional and detailed thanks to this preamp's pure and clear audio capture. For further more variety, you can use condenser microphones because it also has plus 48V phantom power. On number 3, we have PreSonus AudioBox E2 audio interface. Any beginner wishing to better their recording game is going to discover the PreSonus AudioBox E2 audio interface to be a powerful and useful tool. This interface has all the functionality you require for creating recordings of a professional caliber, together with a stylish aesthetic. The PreSonus AudioBox E2's dual-channel architecture, which enables you to simultaneously record vocals and instruments, is one of its noteworthy features. This is ideal for bands or solo artists who want to record their sound in a single take. The interface has MIDI connectivity as well, making it simple to connect to and manage external MIDI devices. The PreSonus AudioBox E2 is simple to set up. You only need to connect it to your computer using a USB cable to get started. Because it works with both Mac and PC, it is usable by everyone. A free recording program called Studio One Artist is also included with the interface, and it includes a variety of strong tools and effects to improve your songs. The PreSonus AudioBox E2 delivers remarkable results in terms of sound quality. It has a high-quality audio resolution of 24-bit/96 kHz, ensuring that every aspect of your recordings is faithfully maintained. So these are some of the best audio interfaces to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.